You've worked hard your entire life, pedal to the metal, navigating the angles of your success. You've taken a few walks, abandoned some lanes, and sacrificed some dreams, all with an eye to winning in the end. Now, you have the opportunity to make one of those dreams, the dream of living the racing life, a reality. This is your opportunity to take your dream one step further and invest in a property that will allow others to experience that same thrill and excitement. On Wednesday, October 9th at 5 p.m., Motorsports Park Hastings in Hastings, Nebraska will sell to the highest bidder at an absolute no-reserve auction. On that day when the checkered flag waves, someone is going to walk away owning America's premier road course. This 2.14-mile SCCA certified road course was named by Forbes magazine as one of the top 10 places in America to speed legally. And the park's central location makes it ideal for drawing racers from all across the country. The location and development options give you the opportunity to build it out as big as you can dream. Condos and garages surround the track, perfect for weekend getaways to work on your vehicle, meet up with fellow race enthusiasts, or simply bask in the roar of the engines. This auction is truly the chance of a lifetime, your shot to live out that childhood dream and invest in a future where you're always up close to the action. This is an absolute auction. No matter where the bidding stops, someone is driving away with this premier property. So, is it time to shift gears and accelerate your life? On October 9th at 5 p.m. at the Motorsports Park Hastings, you have just one job to do. In this race, don't come in second.